how to remove your password on Windows 11 PC. So this could be your admin account or an additional account. The process is going to be the same. So for this, you want to go to settings. To go to settings, you can just press Windows plus I, or you can just type in to search, or if you have it pinned over here, you can do that as well. Here you can see we are in settings. Now on the sidebar, you can find accounts. Click on accounts. So here you can see some information on the current account that you have signed into. But you want to scroll down till you see this option. This is your sign in options. Click on sign in options. Then here you can see we have multiple sign in options. But to remove any kind of password, make sure first of all you don't have a pin, and then you can go ahead and remove the password. But if you want to see how to set a password, you can see that as well. I'll leave the link in the description. So click on change over here once you're in password. Type in your current password and then click on next. So here you can see it's again asking me to change my password. But to remove the password altogether, just leave this blank. You don't have to put in new password, confirm password, or even password hint. Just click on next and then hit finish. So now here you can see we have no password. Even in this section here, you can see we have an option to add rather than change. So currently this account has no password. You can just easily sign in and use it. That's how you remove the password. If you have found the video helpful, do drop a like, share, and subscribe.